Hey VK families, we are so excited to create a space to share activities and ideas with you. Our heart is to connect with families in and out of the church building, and so we hope that this space is that for you. We also hope that these activities are creative ways for you to connect with your Victory Kid. Now, on to the video.
Hey Victory families, I'm Miss Renee. Let's make a sensory bin together. Today, we're going to make a loved sensory bin. Here are a few things that you may need. We're going to start with our base. We use pom-poms. They're super fun. They're all different sizes. Some are even sparkly, and some are big, and some are small, but you can use anything. You can even use cotton balls. They're super fun. If you have rice, throw rice in a bin. The kids will love it. One thing to think about when you're creating a sensory bin is texture. Lots of different textures. Maybe you have some little silky hearts you could throw in your bin. Maybe some little sweet toys that you found around the house you could throw in your bin. Even just some wooden hearts. You can get these at your local craft store. And you could just cut some construction paper into hearts and throw them in the bin. You can add many different items to your sensory bin. Scoops. They will fill them up and pour them out. Little mini cups. You can find these anywhere. Little bowls, spoons, and right out of your own kitchen, you can add some measuring spoons. It all works. Sensory bins are great for early childhood development, discovering texture, hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills, and creative play. Thank you so much for joining us as we created a sensory bin.
We hope you enjoyed this video, and we pray that it gave you creative ways to engage with your Victory Kid. We'll see you next time.